I'm CHIEN.
I'm HEIDI.
I'm YANCY.
Our Earth is made of land and water, and 75% is water. Did you know that only 1% of that water is what we actually use? That water is for taking bath, drinking, and all sort of things. But before we get this, we have to get this clean.
This water is full of pollution. It's full of bacteria, microorganisms. It's full of plants, debris, dirt, soil, and all sorts of things. People pollute water all the time. They put waste, cans, plastic in there, and that water is contaminated. So it's not a good idea to go out and drink this water.
We are very blessed here in Malaysia that we have water treatment plants that actually filter this water to make it the water that we can drink. Other countries, about 25%, still don't have treatment plants, and so they have to have a type of water treatment where they can filter water where they can drink and use it.
Without better infrastructure and management, millions of people will continue to die every year from water-related diseases. This project is about aiming goal number 6, which is clean water and sanitation. The project challenges the students to make a water filter by using recycled plastic bottles and natural soil without any chemical at low cost. It is a light and convenient water filter. This water filter removes contaminants, germs, and impurities from water to meet the basic standard of clean and safe water. This is how we came up with the idea of Earth Water Filter. We would like to contribute our part in line with SDG to protect our lovely Earth.
First, we must prepare 2 empty bottles. Next, we use face cotton as it is commonly available at home. Any cotton could be used as its function is just to prevent materials from falling out.
Activated charcoal removes bad odors and flavors from water, leaving it feeling clean and pure. Charcoal water filters, in contrast to several other filtration systems, are effective without the use of chemicals. They are safer and better for the environment.
Sand in a water filter is primarily to remove solid particles and impurities from the water through the process of filtration. The gaps between each sand particle are quite small, so when water is passed through sand, almost all the particulate matter, such as sediments, rust, and other debris that may present in the water, gets clogged and is removed.
When water passes through soil, it is cleaned via physical, chemical, and biological processes. In addition to soil physical filtration capacity, soil contains important biota that helps transform and decompose certain chemicals and other contaminants from soil, thus helping filter them out of the water.
Gravel is what filters sand or soil essentially. It keeps sand or soil in place, reduces the backflow volume requirements, and tends to drop down into place more quickly than sand at the end of a backwash cycle.
Face mask is another gate to prevent the materials from falling out. Since it is water-resistant layer, therefore we should have to use needle to poke holes before start the water filtering system.
The first experiment we tested was pouring dirty fish tank water into the water filter. We managed to get clean water without bad smell. The next experiment we tested was pouring dust water into the water filter. We managed to get clean water once again. The last experiment we tested was pouring muddy water and leaves into the water filter. Yet again, we managed to get clean water. This project could be potentially commercialized as it has the potential to be marketed in the education, traveling, and recreational business industry. The water filter can also be used by flood victims during flood disaster to solve the polluted water issue.